How can you learn QuickBooks Online for free? Intuit, the creator of QuickBooks Online, offers an extensive catalog of lessons on the use of their software. There are also plenty of free resources available in video and print form from third parties. If you'd like a more intensive, personalized experience, courses and classes are an option, but they're not typically free. You'll notice in this video that I tried to gather some simple stats regarding each training option, some information to help you decide what's best for you. The navigation rating, it's important to point out, is my opinion on how easy it is to search the training topics in order to find what you're looking for. No guarantee is made regarding stats on QuickBooks training. It's all subject to change. However, the information is reasonably accurate as of October of 2020. I've created some QuickBooks Online training myself. With it, I always strive to be comprehensive yet to the point. If you'd like to check that out, I'll put a link in the description. Official QuickBooks Online training. Here we've got QBO video tutorials, QBO small business webinars, QBO class training, and QBO on-demand courses. QBO video tutorials. Cost is $0. The format is, of course, in video. The number of lessons, approximately 130. Typical format length is 3 minutes and 15 seconds, and navigation I rated 4 out of 5. The videos here are short, easy watches. I know from ProAdvisor training that they can be out of date when updates are made to the software. However, there is a good coverage of topics. It might be difficult for you to find what you're looking for if you don't know exactly what category to search. QBO Small Business Webinars. Cost is $0. Formats are recorded webinars. Number of lessons is 8. Typical format length is 1 hour. And I rated the navigation 5 out of 5. Here, there's not as big of a selection of topics as the video tutorials. The webinar format allows you to ask questions, but the timing of the webinars is out of your control. Not every topic appears to be on the calendar here, however. QBO class training. Cost is approximately $580. The format is online classes. As far as I could tell, there was currently only one lesson available. Typical format length is 15 hours, and I rated the navigation 5 out of 5. Classes start every couple of days. One comprehensive session was offered over the course of 2 workdays. It comes with a 200 plus page manual for reference, and this is likely a more thorough Q&A experience. QBO on-demand courses. Cost ranged from $460 to $800. Format is online classes. There was at least one lesson and probably more. The typical format length is self-paced, and I rated the navigation 5 out of 5. These are an alternative to QBO Live classes. They include a 241-page manual, and 3 classes and 2 bundles, one with live services, were offered. QBO training through online course providers. This includes Udemy and Lynda/LinkedIn Learning. QBO courses on Udemy. Cost ranges from $0 to $200. Format is an online course. The number of lessons varies by the course. Typical format length is 2 to 25 hours, and I rated navigation 4.5 out of 5. At the time that I wrote this post, there was approximately 62 courses to choose from. Some cover general topics, some more specific. The top course at the time was called Mastering QuickBooks Online. It has a 4.4 star rating from 2,687 reviews, and it costs $14.99. The course included 4 hours and 31 lectures. QBO courses on Lynda/LinkedIn Learning. Cost is $30 a month or $300 a year. Format, online course. Number of lessons varies. Typical format length, 15 minutes to 4+ hours, and I rated the navigation 5 out of 5. Lynda/LinkedIn Learning did not have nearly the selection of courses that Udemy did. At the time of the writing, there was only 3 to choose from. 2 courses were less than 1 hour, and they were not terribly comprehensive. The top course is QuickBooks Online Essential Training, and it had 141,534 reviews. QuickBooks Online Training on YouTube. This includes Fit Small Business, 5-Minute Bookkeeping, Hector Garcia CPA, and Bookkeeping Master. QBO tutorials on Fit Small Business. Cost is $0. Formats are video and print. The number of lessons is 7, with 39 tutorials. Typical format length was about 7 minutes and 20 seconds, and I rated navigation 5 out of 5. Each tutorial comes with a complimentary bit of written content. All of the major topics are covered. All topics are listed, so browsing is easy. This would be my top pick out of all of these. 5-minute bookkeeping. The cost is $0. Formats are print, slides, and video. The number of tutorials is 75. Typical format length, 1,050 words. Navigation is 4.5 out of 5. Some tutorials have videos embedded, some have slides, some have neither. What videos she does have can be found on YouTube, typically in the top 5 for the subject she covers. Her tutorials have a lot of pictures. They're also written clearly and succinctly, utilizing a lot of white space. Hector Garcia CPA YouTube. Cost is $0. Format is video. The number of lessons is approximately 135. Typical format length is 17 minutes and 45 seconds. Navigation, I rated 3 out of 5. Hector's videos are very helpful and comprehensive. I've referred to them several times in the past. Because they are comprehensive, they're a little on the longer side. The shortest is about 6 minutes and 30 seconds, and the longest is nearly 30 minutes. Since his videos are on YouTube, it can be a little tough to find what you're looking for. His playlists are not terribly descriptive. He has 102,000 subscribers, and his videos are well reviewed. You'll typically find Hector in the top 5 results for any subject you search related to QuickBooks Online. Bookkeeping Master YouTube. Cost is $0. Format is video. The number of lessons is approximately 36. Typical format length is 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Navigation is 3 out of 5. I'm not as familiar with Bookkeeping Master. He has, however, over 70,000 subscribers. His videos are shorter, and he doesn't cover the breadth of topics some of the other YouTubers do. Videos typically run from 3 minutes and 30 seconds to a little over 7 minutes. I believe he is British, which gives him an air of dignity. It also means that he uses the British version of QuickBooks Online. I don't know for sure, but there could be discrepancies in the technical accounting. The currency is obviously different. Other than that, the fundamentals should be the same. Other QBO training options: Dummies and QuickBooks Explained. Dummies. Cost is $0. Format is print. Number of tutorials approximately 50. Typical format length 900 words. Navigation, I rated 1 out of 5. This is not a great option in my opinion. Many of the results from searching for QuickBooks Online are for QuickBooks Desktop with the word online worked into the post somewhere. To be fair, it's a distinction that Google hasn't been able to make yet. Also, you can't skip pages to find what you need. You just need to keep pressing older or newer. Dummies does seem to have a unique take on some of the topics that I didn't see with some of the other options. QuickBooks Explained. As you can see, this is technically no longer an option as it was in October of 2020, but for what it's worth, the cost was $0. The format was video. The number of tutorials was only 7, and typical format length was 11 minutes. I rated the navigation 5 out of 5. Said at the time that this information was a little dated. Most videos appear to be from around 2013. The videos ranged in length from 5 minutes 30 seconds to 6 minutes 30 seconds, and they were very general in nature. Most of this site's effort seems to have been spent on QuickBooks Desktop. While there was nothing wrong with it per se, this might not be the best option for QBO training, and as you can see, it technically is no longer an option.